Rumeet Jara.
Hi Rumi Zoma, how are you feeling?
I think second time round parenting feels a lot lighter.
You also look a lot lighter. I mean, some things have changed.
And some things remain just the same.
And that's exactly what we're going to talk about.
I remember during Sufi's time, we were so anxious, we were so
stressed.
nervous. Everything just hit harder, it felt bigger.
Is he breathing or not?
Does he have colic? Why does he have fever? Oh my god, he has a skin rash. Kya ho raha hai?
You know that the colic will pass, the fever will pass. Eventually everything will be alright. You learn how to trust.
Pediatricians भी यही कहते हैं that the first baby teaches us survival and the second one teaches you perspective.
What remains the same? The welcome puja tradition at home by Nani and Dadi. They won't have it any other way.
Yes, but unlike the first time, I think this time we decided to go a little easy on the strict 40-day ritual.
अरे वो कहते हैं ना पहले 40 दिन माँ और शिशु को घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए.
Shishu?
शिशु.
Shoo. So the one thing that's remained the same is baby skincare. Nox, you know how sensitive my skin is, and hence with the baby, we decided that we are going to trust only science.
So baby's skin is about 30% thinner than ours, right? And it takes at least a couple of years for it to significantly improve. In fact, pediatrician खुद कहता है don't break the barrier, protect it.
Exactly, because babies need the best protection outside the womb. And that is why with Sufi from day one, we trusted only Sebamed.
And the same with Rumi.
Same with Rumi.
Okay, what definitely remained the same was the blessings and visit by Bimla during Sufi's time and this time Mariam.
Yeah, but what definitely has changed are your negotiation skills now. I mean, I remember Sufi के time 10,000 में मना लिया था, but इस time 25,000 हंसते हंसते दे दिया.
Hello madam, Lakshmi घर आई है, देना पड़ेगा.
You know, family members still ask, weight put on हुआ है कि नहीं, किस पे गई है?
पर अब हम सिर्फ एक दूसरे को देखते हैं, we smile.
Exactly, no more comparison, not to worry about any growth charts, only trust, love and care.
हाँ.
What are you doing?
Love and care खुद के लिए भी तो जरूरी है.
You're right, huh? Some things just don't change.
अरे यार, yeah. It's quite nice.
Stop it
It
now.
smells really good, yeah.